These are the top 5 Kitsure Dish Drying Rack buy on Amazon right now. Number 5. The simple houseware plate drying rack with drain board is a practical and efficient solution for drying dishware. Made of sturdy metal, this drying rack is designed to provide durability and reliability in your kitchen. With dimensions of 16.6 inches in diameter, 9.2 inches in width, and 2 inches in height, this rack offers ample space for drying plates, bowls, and utensils. The sleek black color adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. The drain board feature helps to keep your countertops dry and clean by collecting excess water from the drying dishes. This ensures a neat and organized drying process, reducing the risk of water stains and mess. Weighing only 1.01 pounds, 0.46 kilograms, this drying rack is lightweight and easy to move around when needed. The Simple Houseware brand is known for its quality products that cater to the needs of everyday households. Customers have rated this PR.
Number 4. The King Rack. 2. Kitsure Dish Rack is a top-quality product crafted from stainless steel, designed with practicality and durability in mind. With dimensions of 16.9D, 15.6 W, 12.83 H, this dish rack from the renowned brand King Rack offers a sleek black finish that complements any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this dish rack is its 304 stainless steel construction, ensuring 100% rust-proof design for long-lasting use. The 360-degree rotatable and extendable water spout adds convenience while the tool-free assembly makes it easy to set up. Additionally, the innovative drainage cutlery holder with a bamboo cover enhances the overall functionality of this product. Weighing 6.52 pounds, the King Rack 2-tier dish rack offers exceptional capacity with its 2-tier design, providing ample space for your dishware. The item also boasts a bestseller rank of #66, 667 in the kitchen and dining category, highlighting its popularity among consumers. Overall, this dish rack stands a
Number 3. The Kitsure Dish Drying Rack is a highly functional and well-designed solution for organizing and drying your dishes efficiently. With product dimensions of 12.6 inches, 16.9 inches, 5.69 inches, and a light weight of 2.66 pounds, this rack provides ample space for various types of dishes while being easy to move around and store when not in use. Manufactured by Kitsure, a reputable brand known for quality kitchen products, this dish drying rack is built to last and withstand daily use. The ASIN for this product is B0CJXTNXQC, with the item model number Black01, ensuring easy identification and ordering. With a customer review rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on 18 ratings, it is evident that users are satisfied with the performance and quality of this product. The Kitsure Dish Drying Rack ranks at #306, 172 in kitchen and dining and #2004 in dish racks, highlighting its popularity and functionality among consumers. Available since September 27, 2023, this dish drying rack is a reliable.
Number 2. The Yai1FW over the sink dish. Drying rack is a durable and functional kitchen accessory designed to enhance your dishwashing experience. Crafted from iron and metal, this 2-tier drying rack provides ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and other kitchen items. With dimensions of 10D 33.5, W 31.9 H, it fits comfortably over most sinks, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this product is its black color, which adds a sleek and modern touch to your kitchen decor. The rack is designed for countertop mounting, ensuring stability and ease of use. Additionally, its slip-resistant, space-saving, rust-resistant, and scratch-resistant properties make it a practical and long-lasting solution for your dish drying needs. Weighing only 8.27 pounds, the Yai1FW over the sink dish drying rack is lightweight yet sturdy. Assembled by Yai1FW, a trusted manufacturer, this rack meets high-quality standards and promises reliable performance.
Number 1. The SRJ Zemley Dish Drying Rack by SRJ Zenli is a practical and efficient kitchen accessory that helps streamline your dishwashing routine. With product dimensions of 10 inches, 2 inches, 5 inches, and weighing in at 3.1 pounds, this drying rack offers a compact yet sturdy design suitable for various kitchen setups. Manufactured by SRJ Zemley, This dish drying rack boasts quality craftsmanship and durability. The ASIN for this product is B0CPPV8Q1Z, and its item model number is 1. This product has received positive feedback from customers with a solid rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on 39 ratings. Its popularity is evident as it holds the best sellers rank of #65 387 in kitchen and dining and #621 in dish racks, highlighting its practicality and usefulness in the kitchen. The SRJZ MLE Dish Drying Rack was first made available on December 7, 2023, making it a relatively new but promising addition to kitchen essentials. Overall, this product offers a great balance of functionality, quality, and